I'm making some pepperoni rolls in the air fryer. A great way to bake up some pizza dough. Yes. I have some thick cut pepperoni, some nice melty cheese. I'm actually using white cheddar here. I like it, but dry provolone is good. And then for my pizza dough, I'm weighing out a 2-inch portion for each pepperoni roll. 2 ounces, perfect. And I think 2 today. Okay, we've got our tray ready, and I'm just lining it with some parchment hole punched to allow airflow through. The holes allow for a good air circulation and keeps the dough from sticking to the rack. So now that we have our 2-ounce dough balls, I'm gonna just pat them out to about a 3 by 5-inch round, and a little bit of oil on your hands can help with this process. You also want to make sure that your dough is at a nice room temperature, not too cold, because it'll be a little bit more resistant to pressing out. Okay, I just want to keep this moving. I think our dough is in a nice shape, and I think 2 pepperoni rolls are plenty for lunch today for me. So I'm going to start with our cheese. I'm going to just add just a couple of slices into the center, probably about 1 ounce to 2 ounces for each pepperoni roll. It looks very nice. And then I sliced my pepperoni quite thick. So I think just 3 pieces across here. Sometimes I see people quarter a pepperoni stick and put the whole sort of quarter round down the center. That's a nice idea too, to sort of maximize your pepperoni filling. All right, and so now that we have our insides in, I'm going to pull up, and we really want to pinch this completely closed. They will puff a bit, and some of the cheese might ooze out, which is great, but I want a nice complete seal. That's looking pretty good for this first guy. They might look a little small now, but they will puff. And now we'll get these guys into the air fryer. We have our air fryer set at 400 degrees. They've puffed up nicely, and I'm about to give them a good flip. Looking good. I think they need a little bit of a flip. They've been going for just about 4 minutes. We want to get a nice crusty underside. We've developed a nice golden crust on the top. 4 more minutes. Okay, our pepperoni rolls just finished up. Oh yeah. This one kind of erupted and has some beautiful pepperoni peeking out, but I'm going to flip it over too. I have to say, I actually love how the grease sort of just creates a beautiful sheen. And look, we've just got absolutely great browning. Cannot wait. Oh, they're so nice and soft. Totally loaded with pepperoni. Piping hot. They're so fresh, they're so soft and pillowy. Unbelievable. Make some pepperoni rolls in your air fryer.